Happy new month to you. You are welcome to the month of November. Yeah, we are all in November now. We all made it. Yes, we made it. It is not by our grace. It is not just by our power. It can only be God. And guess what? We just have, let's say, 61 or 60 days for this year to end. And you know what? You're going to see it. And I'm going to see it. We'll stay and cross over to 2026. You are highly welcome to the month of November. Yeah, so this is my kitchen. I actually want to make a delicious soup. And I said, no, I'm not going to do it by myself. I'm going to do it with you, my lovers. Yes, I'm going to do it with you. And I want you to sit tight and watch and enjoy yourself and see the recipe I'm going to use to make this egusi soup, melon soup. So it's been a while. I noticed I've actually not eaten this soup. I'm so like doing vegetable, okra soup, but I just told myself today you need to prepare melon soup. So watch out and let's do it together. And you're going to notice one recipe, one thing I use, which I know is not everybody that uses it, to make his or her melon soup. So sit tight, let's do it together. I am excited to see you watching this video. You are highly welcome. This is Ndifreke Ekwere TV channel. You are highly welcome. Yes, here we do lifestyle inspiration, self-care tips, and a sprinkle of laughter. Just feel relaxed, enjoy yourself, and you will learn a lot in this channel. And please, if you've not subscribed, kindly do that. Please like and comment and also share this video so this your girl can grow. Yes, so she can grow. All right, so we are going to go into the business of the day. As I said, we are going to be making egusi soup, melon soup. So I'm going to show you the ingredients, the items that we are going to be using to make this soup. So watch out. So let's dive into it. All right, so as I said, this is melon soup that we are going to be making. This is my melon. It's still tied. I'm not actually losing it yet. Okay, so I'm going to be, this is my stock. I've already made my meat, my stock fish that I'm going to use to make the soup. Okay, and so this is the fish I'm going to be using to make the soup. I've actually not washed it out yet, so I just want to show you to see it. And this is my crayfish. I've already grounded it. This is it. This is my crayfish. Yes, and my pepper. I mixed it together. Okay, so now, and this is the leaf I'm going to be using. So yeah, remember I said you're going to see one recipe, one thing I use, and I know a lot of people don't use it for their melon soup. So this is uzuza leaf. They call it uzuza leaf. Okay, some people use vegetable leaf to make theirs. It's still fine. This is uzuza leaf, and I know a lot of people don't use this leaf. This is what we call curry leaf. Okay, this is curry leaf. It has a good scent. That is why I like using it. So I mix the two together. I mix the two leaves together. Okay, this is curry leaf. Look at it here. It's called curry leaf. Okay, and this is uzuza leaf. That's how you call it. When you get to the market, you can ask them and they will give it to you. Okay, so these are the things I'm going to, this is my onions, and I'm going to use this no cube, just this, and this is my onions, and I'm going to use my palm oil. My palm oil is over there. These are the only things. Okay, yeah, I didn't show you this. Do you know this? A lot of people like it. A lot of people don't like the one with the shell. They like the ones they bring out. Do you know what? Test this. This is very interesting. It is very nice. So I want to use this for the soup. A lot of people call it pium pium. It's periwinkle. Okay, it's periwinkle. I'm going to use this one that has the shell to make the soup. It is going to be a wow. Wow, very nice. Okay, so these are the things I'm going to be using for this soup, and I want you to watch out and see how the soup will come out. So we are starting now to make the soup. We are done with all our recipes. I've cleaned up everything I've made. You can see them here. They're ready. Okay, these are all the things we are going to be using. So this is the pot. Wow, we are good to go. Now, what you're seeing here is a stock, the meat stock. So the water is actually too small. I am going to be adding more water for the soup. You have to be careful with your water consistency. Okay, so I don't want much water and I don't want the soup to be watery, so I have to be careful. So this is the water I'm going to be using for now. It might be too small. We might top another one later. So let's on our gas. Okay, so the first thing I do is to turn my meat, my stock inside. Okay, this is inside already in the water. So this is our stock. Let's add our crayfish so it will boil together. This is our crayfish and pepper. Add it up. Okay. Yeah. Yes, next a palm oil. This is my palm oil. Just give it a shake. Okay. Now just put a little quantity of it. Yes. So that's a palm oil. Remember I told you I'm going to just be using just this one season. So let's do it. Yes. So just allow it to boil. It's already boiling. It's coming up. So we could mix up all with this. So you could make this spicy a little. Let's add it. Let's add the periwinkle. I believe you're following me. Add the periwinkle. Yeah, good to go. So we'll now wait for proper boiling. Just allow it boil. It doesn't take time. If you know the right thing to do at the right time, in the next 10 minutes, you can make your melon soup. You can make your melon or egusi soup. Some people understand it as egusi soup. You can make it ready. So we are waiting for it to boil. Just sit tight and watch it. I don't want it to miss any bit of this. See how it goes. Okay, you're seeing it. You're seeing it is boiling. Okay, so let's give it a turn so everything will be mixed up together. So you can plan to do yours immediately. It doesn't take time. Delicious soup. Delicious soup. So what I have in here is my meat. I did pomo. I used the pomo, the skin, cow head. Okay, that's what I actually used. And my dry fish is here. My stock fish is also here. What do I have here again? My periwinkle is here. My crayfish, my onions, and one season is here. Okay, so this is what is boiling now. Are you seeing? Very simple and something to do. Okay, we are still going to put in our melon inside here, and you're going to wash it. I hope my pot is not small. Let's see. Let's let's put in our melon. Okay, so this is the melon. So let's fill in our melon. Oh, my pot. My pot. Let's see. We'll get it. Yeah, this is the melon. I believe you can watch me. You're seeing me. Okay, so this is it. Let's turn it so it will everything will inculcate. Okay, I'm not staying. Yeah, this is how it goes. So just allow it to boil so the melon will be, it will not be scattering. Okay, let's not turn it too much. See, I told you it might be too thick. So let's add a little water. Allow it to boil. Okay, so we'll get it right. It's already splashing. I don't want it to splash more. That's why I have to do this. Okay, splashing. I don't want it to splash on me. Let's test it. Oh my God. So this is where we are. It has boiled. Ooh, look at this, too thick. So are you seeing it? Are you seeing the result? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Are you seeing the? Are you seeing this? You know, we allowed it to boil for a while. So we have the thickness to have it come out this way. Okay, not scattering. Are you seeing? So let's see. Look at our melon is now coming out. Look at. I actually want to add a little water. I don't like it very thick. Okay. Yeah. So this is it. It was actually splashing. Are you seeing? So we are going to be adding our leaf as the last thing. Just 5 minutes. You just bring your soup down. Okay. So that's the leaf. Yes. So this is us. Our soup is ready. I don't want it to be too watery. I don't want it to be too thick. Guys, we are good to go. This is our soup. This is how it's boiling. See how delicious it is. Are you seeing it? Okay, so we are going to off the fire because we want the leaf to still be fresh. So Thank you so much, guys. This is the person that is making this soup. So thank you for being with me right from the beginning to the end of the soup. So my melon soup is delicious. You can try it, okay? Make it a deal to do yours. Please subscribe, like, and comment on my videos. Thank you for staying put up till this moment. It shows you love me. Thank you so much. And please on your bell, please, so my video, when it comes up, when I upload anytime, you can see it. Thank you so much. Bye.